Hey everyone, we got the old Husky 350 out today, 24-inch bar, skip tooth, 3/8, stock chain, Oregon chain. We're going to follow this balsam and we're going to do back cut first. It's leaning towards the camera, it's leaning towards you, so we're going to put it that way. Okay? Okay. Back cut first. Make sure there's no hangers waiting to get you when you go back in. Looks pretty good. See, I had to snip a little bit off in the undercut because I possibly, yeah, I could have gone further in with my back cut as I set my wedge in. Looks pretty good. Now we'll get set up and we'll do some limbing with this 350 and try out the throttle response. Gosh, that thing runs so good with that pipe on there. That's nice. Great throttle response. For a test log. Why not, right? I'll make a good test log. Test chain for cutting balsam anyway, huh? This is a great little tree. Nice test log. Yeah. All right. Well, that was fun. Thanks for joining me on this one. I guess I could consider that the first tree of the year. Couldn't I? It's a little one. But that's all right. Right now you can cut firewood, so I'm going to start cutting firewood. When I see it like that, why not? Get some exercise, fresh air, test out some different saws. Man, that 350 works great. The throttle response on that thing is amazing now. It's like right there, whack, whack, whack. So I'm looking forward to doing a bunch of limbing with that saw. And, you know, like I said, you know, cutting the top and stuff like that. But as far as smaller trees go, my personal opinion, I'd rather fall a big tree than a small tree. There's more, you know, there's more wood to work with than, you know, than that small stuff. All trees, you always got to pay attention and look up. Always. No matter what. No matter what. All right, everybody. Well, I hope you're all having a great day. Love you all. Take care. Be safe. TazMan is rolling.